Looking good, Adam.
Name change. Argan the Berber.
You look good, Adam.
Okay. On the hair, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, big.
That's good. That's so awesome. Hey, buddy. Emmy. I'm coming. That a girl. Good job, Princess Eva. Hold them tight. Oh-ho. We're a caravan now. Me and Emmy.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, baby. Bye-bye. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Look, brother.
Thank you, sir.
After for stop, we like picture for together.
Okay. How you doing back there, Em? You're okay? If it falls, I'll get it. Yeah. Camel's, he's like trying to touch you. Livy. There's no sheep safe tonight. Grandpa always wanted me to ride a camel. Ride the camel for you, in the middle of the desert. In Africa, of all places. I'm affectionately known as the big boss. Love it. Hey, Livy. Look at all the baby ones live. The baby camels. They are so cute. You don't like my what? Why? What? Oh, my camel. You don't like my camel? Oh, they say you don't like my camera. Yeah, he is kind of getting in you. It's me and Emmy. It's me and Emmy.
Madonna, Shakira, Aisha, Fatima, Khadija.
Oh, cool. I'm on Fatima. The name of my camel is Fatima. I can bucket list that with who? My buddies? Just that if I want to take a camel through the Sahara, I'm gonna have to bucket list that with my friends. They're not gonna do it. Well, you know, some people don't have the fortitude, like your dad, like husband. I do it. The Sahara and with a camel, I do it. Yeah. You got Madonna, Shakira. Princess Eva. Princess Eva. You remind me of my mother so much. It's hilarious. My camel's harassing Eva. She's getting pissed. It's awesome. I paid extra for it. Yeah, my camel's harassing Eva. It's awesome. I'm gonna tip this camel more. Not a girl. Piss off your sister. Oh, the baby camel. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool.
Okay, certificate, one more video for here.
Sure.
Come on.
It's already recording. You just need to. Yep, there you go. Yes. This one's giving Eva the business. Like it? Did you have fun?
It was scary getting off and getting on.
Did you have fun?
Otherwise, yeah.
I had a blast. I want to come back and ride camels. I love it. want a dagger? Not too much. So far I got a dagger today. I'm feeling pretty good. I got my knife from the 1800s. Needed a toy.
Someone's gonna break it and stab us.
He's just weaseling his way into the family. Let's play a game. Who do you think I'm talking about right now? I'll give you a hint. We're enjoying our lunch in New Town, new part of Marrakesh. You look good. I like your henna. Say hi to your boyfriend.
Which one?
Hi, Bryce.
Eating. Which one?
Say hi to Pinecone. Say hi to your boyfriend.
Hey, boyfriend.
I'm with her. I'm the king. I'm the king around here. Just look at these women. They're gonna cut my head off. I'm the king.
Why did you say prank?
I'm the king.
No, king, this is next to this.
Jeez, Em, you almost spilled your sauce.
Nice one. She didn't do anything. Hey, Dad. Dad, you're the king.
How beautiful this restaurant is. Beautiful up there. It's amazing. All right, come on down, princess. All right, one, two, three. Perfect. This is just awesome. Just being here feels good to me. And this is where they actually, it's a triangle. It's a triangle square for...
Here it was from 12th to the 14th century. It was the square where was the souk where they sell barley and wheat for locals. So locals came here to buy barley and wheat. They found some people here who wash for them, grind for them, and fry it and eat for them. And from 14th to 19th century it was a slave market, but today it becomes a spices market. As you see, all people here sell spices, different kind of tea.
So this triangle is spices, but this was where the slave market was.
Yeah, exactly.
From the 14th
14th to 19th century. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
You know what?
He's making drums. Awesome.
Let's go, Isa. Right, so
Thank you.
good. You want more, yeah? I'll say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
What do we need?
Oh. It's your shop. It's your shop. Sweet. Really cool. And they're Arabic because of the point. Assalamu alaikum, my brother.
Alaikum salam. Alaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Good.
Thank you.
No bad.
No bag.
Yeah.
Hello. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
There is a mausoleum inside.
So literally, I'm here with Ishmael, and we are at a mausoleum here of Ibn al-Arif, who was born in 481, and he's buried in here, in the middle of the souk.
This is the instrument.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. Good. Well, stop.
Let's see if I have any rhythm.
That's it, yeah. It said head, like now people. جمع الفناء إن شاء الله جمع الفناء
Camel el-Fnaa, he said, yeah.
I got it.
Look at them.
Very hard work.
Look. Holy cow. Wow. Look.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, don't get.
Yeah, American.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your artwork. Thank you.
When is that? Wait. كان يظهر
Oh, that's gorgeous. This is super cool. With these great artists here in the souks.
Look the different.
Thank you. This is wonderful. Thank you, sir.
So it looks green.
Yeah. But when we mix it with water, it's coming violet.
It's purple. It's violet.
And that one is looks brown. And the water is coming blue
No way.
from cobalt. Look, the goat wool and the cactus. Feel it, sir. This is the goat wool and the cactus silk.
Oh, that's beautiful.
With my quarter, this is you have also this is cactus silk, but this is another material. Watch
Oh,
how wear
beautiful.
them. You make like that. Then you put it and you make a chinnet knot in the beginning, the point one, and the next one. Twist it. Then turn of the hair, and you enter in it's coming like blank, like shy, like that.
Cool.
But when you have the sun now in the market, you bring that one from back to cover all your hair. Now it looks Arabic.
Nice. Go back to, how do you do the Berber again?
The neck.
Yeah, Berber.
اش من اللون تاع الرجال السي الياس معتفوزي half like this half. You put just in your home you do it both in size both you have two pieces both. But here you just one true twist it and you can disagree one there. This is the Berber nuts.
I like it. All right.
There is also navy blue what I'll show you.
Ishmael's negotiating for me.
Normal that one we sell it for 600 because you are with Ismail I make it for 9 for both. But this is something not pashmina you find for everywhere or something.
Okay.
This is something Moroccan.
Okay. I need my own negotiator here.
Like that one, square one.
Yeah.
With you, I make a small gift to Marrakesh. Now for to do the big gift like that one, square one. Cut the corners like that. Now. Okay, action. الظهر بتاعي عليها عقل الطربوش.
Oh my gosh. My new friend Ahmad. Yeah.
You push it back, slide.
put it in.
You can use this magic box if you have something secret you want to put.
That's right.
It's nice.
It is nice. Thank you for your work.
Shukran, thank you.
Wonderful.
Shukran. Thank you.
Shukran.
Thank you.
Not like magic box. That's you.
This is mine.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's one no.
Wonderful.
That's one no like it.
I like that too, but this one's mine. Thank you.
Just for yours to keep it.
He bought for his kids.
He's the local celebrity around here, isn't he?
Here there is some people who live here, reside here. It has more than 300 years, rectangular shape, cedar wood, Berber shape. And the rectangular shape is a Jewish Berber shape of the doors also.
Jewish doors.
Yeah,
Wow. How old is this?
very old. Yes.
Like this?
We say waiting for you. Yes. You find another job.
I do. We'll do this for an hour.
Yeah. You stay all day turning, grinding argan oil.
What am I making, Ishmael? What is
Moroccan flag, the national flag.
What am I making here? What is this?
Argan oil, Moroccan oil.
Okay.
Famous oil in all over the world. They call it in US Moroccan oil. And this grows only in Morocco. And it's classified as World Heritage by UNESCO in 1999. They try to grow in other countries, but it doesn't work. Yeah.
Who's my friend?
Yeah, Fatima. Her name is Fatima. She's originally Berber. She came from High Atlas Mountains. I think yeah.
We can do this all day long. Moroccan and American.
Yeah, Moroccan, Berber, Fatima, Berber.
Corey
and,
American.
Thompson,
Bin Talib.
Ben Thompson from US. American man. Big welcome. Yes. Lalla Khadija. This is Khadija. Ben Tops. This is Khadija. Look what I'm doing. Look.
Oh.
Khadija. wait. دورة معاك. فاطمة. ما باقي بلاد.
Thank you.
يلا تشيك. يلا شكرا. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
This is great.